Are you searching for best wire stripping machine? Today I am going to review top 5 best wire stripping machine. I made this list based on my personal opinion, based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback, and other related issues. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Vevor Electric Wire Stripping Machine. This machine is an automatic wire stripping machine. Mounts easily to any bench or workstation. High-quality lightweight construction made of durable aluminum. Used for removing the plastic and rubber insulation from undamaged scrap wire. It's easy to operate, portable and convenient, energy-saving, beautiful appearance. You can recycle your copper wire, benefit from non-insulated pure copper wire, superior construction, wide compatibility, high stripping efficiency, easy operation. Key features: heavy-duty structure, powerful motor, protective design, sharp steel blade, adjustable screw nut, wide application. The electrical wire stripper is widely used in cable, wire manufacturer, recycling plant, copper products factory. Excellent for removing the plastic and rubber insulation. Number 2. Newest electric wire stripping machine. Features: details, automatically strip scrap wire. This electric wire stripping machine can automatically strip wires, saving you time, labor, and costs. Powerful motor. The powerful motor of 370W has the ability to help you perform wire stripping work efficiently. Stripping speed can reach 98 feet per minute. Transparent lightweight. The transparent acrylic plate allows you to observe and operate the machine more conveniently. In addition, the lightweight aluminum alloy material makes the machine easy to carry. Thoughtful security design. The added protective shell enables you to operate more securely. The emergency stop button is capable of reducing the chance of accidents. Features: the safeguard to avoid your hand from accidentally extending. Wide applications. Perfect for recycling copper by removing the plastic and rubber insulation from scrap wires. The range including 0.06 to 1.5 in diameter cables. Number 3. Portable 10 blades electric wire stripping machine. Features: details, heavy-duty construction. Constructed from solid aluminum alloy, this wire stripper can withstand rigorous environments and easily endure years of heavy use. Equipped with high-hardness blades to ensure its operational stability, high stripping efficiency, this wire stripper features a 370W 220V single-phase induction motor, motorized to save you time, effort, and money. The gearbox leads to fast stripping speed. It creates a fast stripping speed of 88 feet per minute 20 m/min, plus the labor-saving design increases security and convenience. Extensive use. This machine is ideal for whatever hard wire or soft wire. It can be easily stripped by using this model. Such copper wire recycler will detach the plastic and rubber insulation from undamaged scrap wire. A must-have for copper wire recycling. Number 4. XMSJ Electric Wire Stripping Machine. This upgraded cable stripper provides high efficiency and stable performance. This wire peeler is widely used for removing the plastic and rubber insulation from undamaged scrap wire. Are you tired of wire cutting blades becoming dull? Stop wasting time and money, make the switch and see what you've been missing out on: high efficiency, superior construction, easy operation. Number 5. Portable Electric Wire Stripping Machine. Portable electric wire stripping machine. Cable stripper for copper, recycling 1.538 mm.